In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a short description in WooCommerce, fast and easy. Whether you're setting up a new product or just refreshing an existing listing, a concise and engaging short description can play a crucial role in attracting your customers' attention. So let's dive straight into it and guide you through the process, step by step. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your WordPress account. This will grant you access to the necessary admin functions to tweak your WooCommerce settings. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find various menu options available on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the Products tab. This is the gateway to managing everything related to the products you sell. Once you're in the Products section, your next step is to add a new product. You can easily do this by clicking on the Add New button, which usually sits at the top of your screen. This action takes you to the product editing page where you can enter all the details of your new product. Now, as you scroll down this page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Product Short Description. This part is crucial, as it's the snippet that gives potential customers a quick insight into what your product offers. Ideally, this should be a brief, yet informative piece that highlights the most appealing or unique aspects of your product. With this section found, go ahead and click on it to open the text editing box. This is where you can start crafting your short description. Aim for brevity and clarity. Keep it sharp and to the point, focusing on key benefits and features that you believe would entice customers. Remember, this description will often appear on product category pages, so it's your chance to make a memorable first impression. After you've added your content, make sure to review the text for any spelling mistakes or awkward phrasing. A well-written description not only boosts your product's credibility, but also enhances the overall professionalism of your online store. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, it's time to save your work. This can be done by clicking on the Save button, typically located towards the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can swiftly add a short description to any product on WooCommerce, enhancing their appeal and potentially increasing your sales. So next time you list a product, remember the power of a good description, and don't underestimate how much it can influence your customers' purchasing decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your WooCommerce store.